These are called sour sap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I right. Have to go.
This one look
Unripe,
unripe, you know?
Yeah, mother can't get this thing.
Yeah, carrot, we'll get them. We're on the farm.
Jelly tree also like it are dead. Cut off the wish them off it and all them something there. Bush girl.
Yeah.
Want me to? Alright, anyway. Sorry. Cause I really come. So I chop off bush them. Another fruit tree. They call again?
This one?
Yeah.
No.
Custard apple. Yeah. Yeah man, and the banana them. Along the whole side. Alright. So one are full. So it's a tree, yeah. You want to like it ripe, you know? Enough of the pan, you know?
Yeah.
So what's up?
Where's my full of pasta?
Eh? See line there? But I have put more wire. What's up there? And tough still. We should find a ripe one because I bought one of them then. You see? What is it going to go there and feel that? If it's... You can't climb it. I'll pop down. I'll try to climb it. Come for that.
Mm-hmm.
Next tree, yeah.
I saw something funny.
Watch out.
So what's up? Then they are waste, man. I shouldn't like them.
Yeah, waste.
I'm gonna they want them for them.
And if you put them in there,
No.
show back at you with a fertilizer.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, now more also.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I said you wood in the panel now, see them neither.
Yeah, that. One my farmer was one. Mm-hmm. Good fertilizer. Sitting around here. We're actually trying to get two soursop. That one look full. Yeah, that soursop they look real full. Try to get two soursop so we could eat them or mix some juice. Not ripe.
Ain't ripe, you know?
Mm-mm.
Never pick yet.
Mm-mm. Why not ripe?
I want it myself.
Why they look big?
You a big mommy, I'll pick it.
Alright, this is my farmer husband climbing to get a soursop. Yeah. That's a big one there. Don't let it burst. There's some big soursop on this one. Yeah, he's good at climbing. Yeah. He's about to pick a soursop so we could either make some juice. Yeah, that's how you pick it. Ooh, don't let it burst, baby. Catch it, baby, catch it. Ooh, that's a big one. Let me take that one up. Let me come around.
How much pound is it?
I'll tell you when I feel it. These are called soursop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I right. Have to go.
This one look unripe, you know?
Yeah, mother can't get this thing.
Yeah, carrot, we'll get them. We're on the farm. We're trying to see if there's anything else on the farm that is ready.
Plum tree.
What the plum is funny?
But you fertilize it.
Oh, there's some plums. They're
Manure.
so small. Can't see them.
For manure and fertilize it.
This is called fall manure. We use it to fertilize the fruits. We have some cocoa here.
Which you know what I mean?
We have some cocoa.
Which you got more big or whenever breadfruit tree.
These are the little plums there coming along. So we could have some good plum juice. Hmm? Yeah, that's a breadfruit tree, but nothing's on it right now. Hurricane Melissa gone with everything. Yeah. I'm going to look at the pear tree. It's not my favorite though. I'm trying to see if I could find a jelly tree so I could get some jelly to clean my heart because it needs to be washed off. Yeah, but today we're out on the farm. See if we find any coconuts. Oh, those are called coconuts. Those are called coconuts. Pause. Alright. Still doing a little tour on the farm today. So far we have got a soursop. Yeah, we're gonna make some juice. That's an ackee tree, but they're not really ready yet.
They can spray.
Yeah.
So coconut tree there. I'm gonna show you one more. You see how it look? The one over there, they are dead. Last time I come cut off the wisdom. See it. It's a deal now. I forget to go finish it. Check my box. Some of the portion.
What's up over? Yeah, ba?
No man, goat pen.
Oh.
Goat yard.
Oh, this is the goat yard. This is where we keep the goats, but for now they're not inside, they're outside playing. They'll be back later when we go out there to go pick them up and put them back in the pen. Now they're free. There's a little breadfruit here, but it's not going to be ready for the next 3 months, 4 months. Yeah, it's pretty young. And we have some bananas there going. Oh yeah. We're going to look to see if we can find a jelly tree. But this is like the side gate for the goat pen. We'd like to have 2 hog or pig to put also in the goat pen and call it a goat and pig pen. Yeah, they have enough room here to share. And these are the nice jelly tree here we're talking about. Here we go. Take a look.
Pick off 2 off it.
Yeah, that's what everybody's crazy about. With good coconut water. Sure. Maybe. Yeah, this is the big pear tree. It's actually has some blossom on it now. So next year we'll have some pear available.
Fruitful, man.
It's very fruitful and faithful. And there's a banana there from Hurricane Melissa passed through. It's right there. So we're gonna have it to take to the goat later on to feed them. Yeah, that was a very little tour for the day. Now we have some hopper here. They call them the TT hoppers. They're so delicious. Let me see if I could go closer where I could show you a little bit of what's going on here.
Where I eat them?
the birds are actually enjoying the apples. Can I get that one beside it for me? Gosh.